The special one in Madrid, Mourinho's real legacy. The historic 100-point La Liga, 2012. He clinched the league title by shattering all-time records, reaching a historic 100 points and netting an unprecedented 121 goals in a single season. Breaking the Copa del Rey curse, 2011. He brought the Copa del Rey back to Madrid after an 18-year drought, securing a legendary final victory over Guardiola's Barcelona with Ronaldo's famous header. The 2012 Spanish Super Cup. He claimed the trophy with a tactical masterclass, defeating fierce rivals Barcelona in a thrilling second leg at the Santiago Bernabéu, ending the Champions League round of 16. Jinx. After 6 consecutive years of early exits, he restored Real Madrid's European dominance, leading the club to 3 consecutive Champions League semi-finals. After all these numbers, do you think Mourinho was the true architect behind Real Madrid's future European dominance?